Post Christinas. Regular rules ha, regular rules. Regular rules. Okay, let's go. Halfway lang na, halfway. Pinasa, Akuan. Morris, 31. Pinasa sa lateral, down low, 2 points. Number 30, Aripa. Wala. Rebound. Yellow. Down. Down blue. Back break. Down low din. Wala. Nakakuha ng bola. Ni 11. 2 points. Wala. Nakakuha ng nakadilaw. Morris. Didiskarte. Pumasok sa loob. Pinasa. Wala. Down. Down yellow. Yellow 14. Mr. 2024 Season MVP, Morris Cruz. Miss Liu. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound. Ang makadilaw. Foul. Who's foul, ref? Blue. 17 blue. Five zero. Aripa. 2 points. Ayan na si Aripa. 2 points na. 40. 231. To number 2. Bola na bola. 8. 9. 8. Troubling. Blue ball. Aripa again. Aripa. Pinasa. Another. Substitution. shot, MJ, wala. Rebound, number 40 pa rin. MJ to Morris, to number 2, 2 points. Ariba, foul. 7. 2 shots. Missed the first one. Second shot. Pasok. 7-3. Pinasa, Bilantes. To number 2, Andre or 2, wala. Down yellow. Ariba. Ayan na si Ariba. Who's spotted? Yellow, number 2. Number 2, first personal foul, 13 foul. Substitution. Missed the first one. Second shot. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni number 30. 21. Cruz. Pinasa. High to low. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound ng Nakasul. Down yellow. Ariba. Who's fouled? Number 42. Pasokan muna. 7-4. Two-point lead by Yellow. Foul. 16. First personal foul, second team foul. Traveling. MJ, wala. Rebound. Rebound. Down yellow. Ayun na po. Number 16. Ariba. From high. Jump shot. Rebound. Number 7. Number 7 pa rin. Court to court. Wala. Rebound. Down yellow. Ariba. Sinagsagasahan. Down yun. Wala na tayo. Nadala po tayo. Wala na tayo. Score, 7-5 in favor of Aripa. Aripa pa rin. Tatlo nagbabantay. Patapat nagbabantay. Tumira. Wala. Down. 42. Mamaya ako ka rin McDonald's sa mama at papa mo. Ayun, may sila na. Back to back ano. Parang isip ng matanda. Number 16, second personal foul, first team foul. Para sa Steelers. Tira. Pinasa kay Aripa. From high to low, wala. Nakakuha nila. Halfway. Goal 5. Two points. 45. For 2. Wala. Rebound ng mga naka-yellow. Morris ulit. Morris. 2 number 7. Jump shot. Wala. 7 pa rin. Rebound. Blue ball. Substitution na. Substitution. 7 out, 77 in. Aripa. Foul. Who's foul? 41. Substitution.
Look, under the screen. Go under the screen so you can catch up. Ready?
Aripa. Foul. Number 31. First personal foul, second team foul. Pasok mo na. Second shot, pasok din. 47. 31. Down yellow. Jump shot. Wala. Down yellow. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound. Blue ball. Aripa. Tatlong bantay, apat na bantay, nawala ng bola. Ay, di pa rin. Pinasa. Number 25, number 29. Number 29. 10, 9. Jump shot, wala. Rebound, Taylor. Down blue. Back play. Back play. Down yellow. Down yellow. Down yellow. Wala. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Pinasa. Ayun na po ang 6-man ng Steelers. Parang hindi pala. Bola ka na. Number 26. 26. Basta na naman. Blue. Timeout Steelers. Score 14-9 in favor of Young Bucks, Batang Synergy. Versus Steelers 1. And Pinoy Moms versus Steelers 3. Let's go! Arriba! Arriba! Sumasagasa! Short! Ang ganda ng pera! Si Arriba! Umariba! Forty to 7. 7. Wala. Rebound. Wala. Down. 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 Ayun na po ang mga naka-blue. Ang iba sa pag-asa na naman. Wala. Rebound. Pass ba rin? Belate. Foul. Number 8. Foul number 8. Number 8, first personal foul, second team foul.
One blowout.
Pasok ko na. Second shot, pasok ko. 2 for 2. Parang Bilantes, number 11. Good pass. Untuk wala. Rebound number 12. Arriba. Arriba pa rin. Back. Rebounding. Foul. Loose foul. 77. Yellow.
You gotta watch out.
I got 2 sushis.
He's the first one. Second shot. Wala. Rebound. Wala na time. No more time. First half score 16-11 in favor of Young Bucks, Batang Synergy.
You're not allowed to score unless you see a strike. So Ryan's trying to get the 6
Let's go.
down by the inbound so that he can just dribble out to all this around. Yeah. So the thing is,
Let's go, third quarter.
the thing is he's dribbling, so it's like what he's getting away with is he's just dribbling.
29 to number 17. 17. Napagdalawa, napagtatluhan, pinasa. Same ball. 10 seconds. Eight, 7, 6, 5. First foul, number 11. Number 11, first personal foul, first team foul.
It's not.
Center.
No. So we get to 60% pay.
Mabilis. Jump ball. Blue ball. Tuloy sa kapupunta. Yellow ball. Eleven, to number 2, to 31, the number 7, to right, jump shot, to home. Easy basket. Arriba, napagtatuhan na naman sa pagbibahan. Two points. Substitution. Usman. 31. Second personal foul, second team foul. Number 7, 2-1. Number 2, wala. 31, over the line. Good goal. Number 2. Number Substitution. That's all.
I'll just be the high toe.
They just won't do a pull down. There's a full court press.
Sub.
There's a full court press. We played this team on last year. It's like 26-4 or
Okay. Blue ball. Nakakuha. Nakagaw. Number 26. Kumait. Number 31. 31. Pumasok sa loob. Wala. Rebound. Pino. Number 7. Down. Piero. Down. 29. Magtoto. Wala. Rebound. 17. Kanya pa rin. Jump ball. Same ball. Gap for 2. Wala. Rebound. Same ball. 10 seconds. Usman, number 41.
Looks like that.
That's last week though. I didn't lose it.
Short. Rebound, number 26. Down to 31. 31. Pasa. Arriba. 30. Arriba. Foul. Number 31. 2 shots. 31. Third personal foul. 14 foul. Wala na time. Pasok mo na. 14. Last shot. Score 26-14 in favor of Young Bucks. Batang Synergy. Jump shot, wala. Down, down. Got back there. 2 16, 10-point lead. 26-16. Morris. 4-2. Arifa. Gumita. Arifa pa rin. Siya pa rin wala. Blue ball. Kakaharang lang. Kakaharang lang. Blue ball. Gab. Naipit. Dugli ball. Ayun. Hindi na wala. Number 12. Wala. Down. Morris. 2 points. 26. Dribble traffic. Lucky foul. Number 41. Time out. Time out. Arriba. Wala. Napot ang wala. Yan. Tumira. Wala. Iba. Daniel. Nako nino? Oh, hindi na. It's alright. It's alright. Easy lang. Easy. Number 5.
Because Chase.
Fine. It's alright.
Oh, that's right.
Just miss you.
Yeah, Chase is on the back. I want to watch the next.
We're not going home, so you
So if I go to the Stingers White is pretty preventing. Yikes. I mean, then Pike is making kind of I don't know why they did that. Isn't it probably no, I was just wondering.
Walang pumasok na rin. Walang pumasok. 29 jump shot. Let me pass my shot back. Robbie. Pasok mo. Rebound. Down. Arriba. Pass na po 29. Yeah. To number 2. Long 2. Number 2.
That was the guy that's called. He's so good.
Substitution. Who's foul? Yellow 7. Substitution. Arriba for 3 shot. Number 2, you remove wala. Uy.
Let's go 5 up. Let's go 5 up. Okay, let's go slow.
To number 2, to 11. Pinasa kay number 7. Jump shot, wala. Rebound nila.
makes it.
Substitution, eh? Substitution. Three minutes. Last 3 minutes. Wala na yung bola. Pinasa. Ayun. 29. Jump shot. Mahina.
Okay, slow.
2 minutes 47.
As it's coming, so he's not hitting.
Cruz to Villandres. Cruz ulit.
It's not.
To MJ, wala. 31. Jump shot. Malakas. Rebound nila. Hindi Villandres. At pinakalakit tao sa loob.
I think you can see that based on the double.
Down yellow. Sinagasaan. 2 points. Wala. Who's following? 31. 1 to graduate. 2 minutes and 9 seconds.
Oh, you see that?
Pasok ako na. Second shot. Wala. Same ball, blue ball. Aripa, jump shot for 2. Wala. Aripa. Ako na naman number 11. Seven, jump shot. Wala, rebound, naka-blue. Down, yellow, down. Ariba. Number 6 to number 2. 21-30. Next one penalty. Next 11-second personal foul, 14 foul, 1-4 penalty. Next foul penalty. Let's go. Nagsasabi. Short. Down blue. Villandres, good one. Thirty-eight seconds. Penalty. Yellow 7, third personal foul. Penalty. Pasok.
Well, I guess you can't see that.
Oh, yeah.
Down blue. 30 seconds. Double dribble. Halfway. 2 points. Big Seniors 34-23. Okay. Awarding po tayo, awarding. Rep.
Alright, good job, boys. Now let's do the cheer, okay? 3 cheers for Stingers. Hooray! 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 One for the ref. One for us. One for the Lord. Amen. Good job, boys.
Okay, season MVP. 9 and under.
Coach,
Coach, sabi na po yung mga bata. Season MVP, 9 and under. From Young Bucks Batang Synergy, Maurice Group. Season MVP po yan. Season MVP. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's start. Final. First runner-up, 9 and under. And the champion, 9 and under. Yamba Batang Synergy. Garage Cup Season 2 Champion Young Bucks Batang Synergy 9 and under. Yung medal yung pinilisan. Yung medal, pinilisan. Bilisan nyo, maglalaba pa ako. Okay. Picture guys, picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're highest, ha? Final MVP. Number 11. Villandres.
Go for the tip. Go for the tip.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, parents. Parents, come on. Parents. Hey, parents. Ayun, parents.
Next day, Pinaka versus Leaders Blue. Versus Leaders Blue. Division 2 semifinals. Okay, let's go. Keep going up for tayo sa next game.